Hi, welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, today we're going to make some lovely earrings. So what you will need today is some cutters. These are called flash cutters to cut. You'll need a round nose pliers, round in the middle, and your flat nose pliers because it's flat here. You'll need some ear hooks, you know, the bit that goes in your ear hooks. You're going to need a large link. Well, yeah, I think a large link will do it. A nice large link here. 3 head pins. It doesn't have to be the one with the flat. It doesn't have to be the one with the flat head, a flat head, but mine just happens to be. And 6 of these beautiful beads of your choice. Right, so let's begin, shall we? So first of all, we're going to take the findings. We're going to have a long one in the middle and 2 short ones round the sides. So make sure that you cut them the same size. So these 2, you can cut them what size you want, but I'll just clip a bit. So just clip a bit here. Just whatever size you want, but just to make them shorter, so maybe about here. Be careful when you clip as well, because some of it, the wire can go flying. And then we're going to cut it the same size as the other one. So I'm going to take this one here and we're going to clip it exactly the same size. And we're going to cut all 4 the same size. Make sure they're all the same. And leave the middle one long. So take one and then you're going to cut it. Oops, wrong. Cut it with the cutters. Sort of hold it down because you don't want it to fly. So now you're going to have 2 short ones. 2 short ones on either earring and 1 long one. So all in all it'll be 4 short ones and 1 long one. This one's got a bit of a bend, so I'm just gonna straighten it up a bit. Okay, well, almost. Right, so what we're going to do now is thread on. We're going to thread them on. Thread on the lovely beads. So put the blue in the middle, or however you want, but I'll just put blue in the middle, blue in the other middle, and then the others are going to have green. Right, so we thread all, now that we've threaded all of them, they're all threaded, so pick up any old one that you want and put it in the middle of the round nose pliers and start to turn. Turn, 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 turn. And then you can put it in the middle, put it at the side here and turn. It's going to look like a P shape. It's going to look a bit odd. So what you do is take the round nose pliers and just kind of turn it away from there, and then you can put the pliers inside and just turn it. Just make sure that the hole is closed, and take your round nose pliers, if the hole looks a bit funny, and just kind of clamp its head and bring it towards you. That's it. And then you can either use it to close the hole like that. Yeah, put it on top and close the hole, or sometimes you can just, if you prefer, you can just use around those pliers and close it. Anyone will do. So we're going to continue and do it to all. So now that everything is nice and threaded on, we're going to pick up the link and open it slightly. So we've got the round nose pliers picking up the link in, you see, and then we're going to start threading on the earrings. So thread on the green, then the blue, then the green again. So it's a nice kind of sequence. So doesn't that look pretty? And then we're going to pick up the air wire, and we might as well thread that on while it's open. So thread that onto the link. So we've got it all together, and then we can just close the link. This is quite a large link. I just think it looks nice with a large link. So just kind of close it together. Make sure, hold it in one hand, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, hold it in one hand, and then just kind of, you know, move it together, because we don't want them to fall off. You can even use the flat nose pliers and shove it, maybe hold it down here. You can hold it all together, and then with all your might close it. So make sure it's nice and closed. So then we're going to hold the earring. You see, a pretty earring. Might as well pick up the other one with my round nose pliers. Same thing again. We're going to thread on, do some threading, thread it on. The green one first. Well, you can do it how you want, but I think it looks nice with the one in the middle, the longer one in the middle. And then the other one. So we've got all three looking pretty, all dangly, and then get the air wire, thread it on, and then hold the link and squeeze it together. You can squeeze like your hands together. Make sure it's flush, as they call it. So there we are. We've got two pairs of beautiful dangly earrings. I've got these in other colours as well. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you got any comments, any questions, please comment down below. I hope you like the channel. If you do, please give it a like, please give it a share and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, which I do hope you do, please press the notification button so you know that I'm around. So I post every Thursday, so thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye for now.